Hello, my name is Melanie Hawkins. I'm a skills instructor with American Ambulance EMT program. And here we're going to demonstrate a wrist or a lower arm fracture and splinting with a cardboard splint. So what you want to do is first assess for pulses, motor, and sensation on the broken extremities. You want to check for pulses. Okay, the pulse is good. You want to check for motor. Can you wiggle your fingers? And then now, what finger am I touching?
Pinky.
You need to elicit a response from the patient to be able to tell if they can actually feel the sensation of you touching their finger. So then you're going to go ahead and take your splint and measure it against the broken extremity, or you can measure it against the good extremity, and then cut where you need to bend the cardboard splint. So now we're going to tape it into position. So now that we have the splint taped into position, go ahead and apply it to the extremity. You want to go ahead and pad underneath the extremity and around to secure it. Put that in there. And if it's the arm, you can go ahead and use a roll of Curlex or 2-inch tape to go ahead and put it in their hand to control the position. And then you want to tape it in position, not covering the fracture, but above and below the fracture. We're going to tape that into place, and then we can secure it with a sling and swath. So you take your triangle bandage, and you take the point at the smaller corner, and you want to tie that into a knot to make a hammock out of it. Okay. Then you go ahead and you can put this underneath and around the splint, and then tie this up and behind their neck in a position of comfort to the patient. Then you can use your second triangle bandage to secure the splint and the extremity to the body. And then once you have that applied, you want to again check for your circulation, for pulses. Motor, can you wiggle your fingers? And then what finger am I touching?
Ring.
Okay, so you've checked again for your CSM.